Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we're giving you a close and cinematic look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Highlander. Toyota has gone bold this year, and it shows from every angle of this refreshed SUV. Right away, the front grille grabs your attention. It's massive, aggressive, and futuristic, giving the Highlander a commanding road presence. The new LED headlight design is sleeker, sharper, and flows smoothly into the body lines, creating a seamless front profile that screams modern luxury. Toyota has clearly taken design inspiration from its premium lineup, and it works. Underneath the sculpted hood, Toyota is expected to offer both hybrid and gas powertrains, continuing their push toward efficiency without sacrificing performance. While we're not popping the hood today, it's safe to say this SUV will continue offering that smooth and reliable driving experience Toyota is known for. The side profile is equally impressive. Flush door lines, bold wheel arches, and beautiful 20-inch alloy wheels that complete the sporty yet elegant stance. The body lines have been refined for better aerodynamics, and the chrome accents give it that upscale touch. Even in a showroom, it looks like it's ready to hit the road. Let's not forget the rear, clean, sculpted, and balanced. The taillights are LED as well, and their design mirrors the front's sharp lines, creating a unified aesthetic across the vehicle. Toyota kept things minimal yet premium, and honestly, it works perfectly for this segment. Inside, the new Highlander is expected to carry forward Toyota's improved infotainment system, more soft-touch materials, and advanced safety tech, though in this video we're focusing on the exterior. We'll be sure to cover the interior in a future walkthrough. Overall, the 2025 Highlander is a clear evolution. It looks bolder, more upscale, and more confident than ever before. Whether you're looking for family practicality or SUV sophistication, this redesign aims to deliver both. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this cinematic look at the 2025 Toyota Highlander, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to MVP Auto for more in-depth car content, reviews, and first looks every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.